Paliwanag ko.
Opo.
Ang Hering's Law of Cure, Law of Cure states that all healing comes from within out, from the head down, and in reverse order as the symptoms first appeared. Which means, kung gusto mong gumaling, may cleansing process ho talaga. Dahil ang katawan mo ay nasanay na ng puro chemical. Noong nagsimula kayong magdisiplina sa sarili nyo, nakakaramdam talaga ng withdrawal syndrome. Parang yung mga naninigarilyo, once they decided to discipline themselves and suddenly or abruptly stop smoking, then they'll feel the withdrawal syndrome. Yung mga drug addict, pag nire-rehab, may withdrawal syndrome. Lahat po ng sakit may withdrawal syndrome. Pero hindi po side effects ang tawag doon. Ang tawag po doon, BRR, healing process.